woke up at like 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3. Now I woke up so many times and then just said fuck it. So apparently I'm having a snow day tomorrow. Because my mom, I'm just assuming, since my brother already doesn't have school for today after like 4 they closed. Because they're like, oh, it starts at 6. And then my mom already at work already told them, don't come tomorrow, it's going to be snowing. Like, she already has the day off for tomorrow. They didn't even wait. So, I'm assuming my school's going to close. If it don't, fuck. But yeah, I gotta do stuff to be active today. Vlog is rendering. Gonna go play some Rock Band, because I'm bored. You can watch me drum it up. And just for future reference, this is what it looks outside now. It's supposed to be a huge ass storm. So let's see how it looks later. I don't know if you can see me, but we do it anyway. I am good. My guy looks really gay on the screen. Holy shit, that's a lot harder on expert than hard. It was just all red. I never know how to do that. When it's like all consistent, like really fast on each other, I can never hit all the notes. I don't know how you do it. I'm sad, but I'm gonna continue. If you have queasy stomach, please turn away. I don't know why you'd be queasy. This is not big. But I was playing Rock Band. I'm like, shh. I'm like, ah, my blister. I just looked at it. I'm like, you can't see. It's shitty lighting. But it peeled off. It's fine now. It's been like that for a while. So yay, body healing. Yay. Rock Band, I'm just going through the recently, had so many good songs. All the Data Remembers on there. All the Linkin Park's on there now, I think. I saw a lot of them. I did a list. Got some... just a bunch. I can't even remember them all. There's a lot. More... oh, fuck. I just keep finding more and more. I'm like, they got so many good songs on here. Hold on, I'm just gonna go come real quick and then I'll be right back. Render fail. It did not render, apparently, the vlog. Now it's 7 o'clock. And 7 o'clock. Still nothing. They were like, oh, we're gonna get 2 inches like last night, and then they're like, it's gonna snow, I know, but they said like at 6, it's gonna be terrible. Nothing's happened. So, they're always wrong. Don't believe them. It's getting there. I'm bored. Oh, this is gonna be a boring day. Because I know we're gonna have a snow day tomorrow. And there's nothing to do on snow days. I don't like sledding or going out in the snow. I'll go out, but I mean, not in the snow. Not like go out and play in the, getting wet. Wait, I'll get wet. I'm confusing myself. I woke up at 3. I'm gonna be bored so long. I gotta watch a movie. Find a movie on search. Good idea. Thank you. I'm still extremely bored, so I'm giving up. Fuck it. It's 10 now. I don't know. There's no vlog material, I'll tell you that, for the rest of the night, so I'm just gonna sign off now. Despite my boredom. Okay, till tomorrow, which will be boring as to. Peace. Damn it. Yeah, you can tell it's a bad day.